Hvar, Croatia. Now let's swap France's rolling hills for the stunning island of Hvar, Croatia, where lavender doesn't just grow, it thrives. Nicknamed the Island of Lavender, this Mediterranean paradise isn't just known for its beaches, it's home to some of the most intensely fragrant lavender fields in the world. Picture this, you're walking through the village of Velograble, where the sun-drenched hills are covered in wild lavender. The air is thick with its soothing scent, blending perfectly with the salty sea breeze. And if you time your visit right, you'll stumble upon Hvar's annual Lavender Festival, where locals share their centuries-old traditions of lavender farming. It's the perfect place to try handmade lavender oils, soaps, and even lavender-inspired cocktails. Yes, you read that right. But here's what makes Hvar so special. Unlike other lavender fields, this one comes with a view of the Adriatic Sea. Imagine standing on a hill surrounded by vivid purple fields, while gazing out at the sparkling blue waters below. It's a sight you'll never forget. So, if you had to choose, would you rather wander through Provence's endless fields or walk Hvar's lavender-covered coastline? Drop your answer below.